अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस प्रैक्टिकल का नाम है टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ जी बाय फ्री फॉलिंग मेथड। एंड इसके अंदर डायग्राम दी हुई है, जिसको डायग्राम के लेबलिंग के लिए याद कीजिएगा। दैन इसकी बैकग्राउंड इंफॉर्मेशन दी है कि जी इज इक्वल टू 30/2h डाइवाइडेड बाय आर स्क्वायर। दैन आगे डेरिवेशन दी है कि जी इज इक्वल टू 32h डिवाइडेड बाय टी स्क्वायर कैसे बना है, स्क्वायर मोशन से बनाया गया है, इसे ड्राइव किया गया, सॉरी। एंड इसके बाद प्रोसीड्यूट किया गया कि सेट द फ्री फॉलिंग apparatus vertically with the help of plumb line screw at the base. Then observation calculation. First question, is the gravitation G constant? Yes. What is the differentiation between G and gravity and gravitation constant? Third question, what is the acceleration due to gravity? The acceleration due to gravity is the acceleration of an object caused by the gravitational force of Earth. And then fourth question, does the velocity of G change with altitude? Yes, G vary with altitude. Then fifth question, what is necessary to repeat the free falling method experiment multiple time? Repeating the multiple time obtain constant result and reduce random error. Then sixth question, explain how free falling method experiment relate to the principle of physics. Specify the layer of motion and gravity. Seventh question, what happened to G if you drop an object to the mass and relative MCQs है. An object have been falling freely from the rest for 3 seconds. The maximum velocity of the object is A 30 meter per second. Value of G in CG is given below. A 38 centimeter square, centimeter second square. Third MCQs are to find the value of G by free falling method. G is given by 332h divided by t square. 10 relative short question दिए गए. First है write short answer of the following. What is important to measure the height vertically when conducting free falling experiment? Second question, what is the formula to calculate the value of G? By using the free falling method, G is equal to 2s divided by T2 square is answer. Then what is the principle behind Galileo famous leaning tower of Pisa experiment? And fourth question, how does the height influence the weight of the object obtained from the experiment? A greater height increases the free falling time and can improve the precaution of the G. And fifth, a skydiver of weight 100 Newton jump out of an aeroplane. After he passed been falling from some time, he is traveling at a constant speed. How does in the force of air resistant acting on them? इसके अंदर वेट का फॉर्मूला लगेगा और उसका आंसर 80 है. देन काइंडली सब्सक्राइब शेयर एंड लाइक.